Hey guys, I'm Sikes, the broker and owner at Homestead Co. And here's a quick backstory on me and who I am, and and why I do what I do. I got my license back in 2010, basically right out of college. I wanted to invest in real estate. I thought, but what better way to learn the market than to sell it? So I jumped into to sell real estate, and about a year and a half in, I was failing horribly. I was putting out resumes, trying to find a job, and it was just not working. So I didn't know what to do. So I was working as hard as I could at real estate, and then sending as many resumes out as I could. I figured one of them's got to pay off. Well, somehow, somewhere, something clicked along the way, and about a year and a half in, started figuring out some niches and figuring some things out in real estate to make it actually start working. One of those big ones was swallowing my pride and starting to apply what I was being coached to do. That was a big one. And the second one was I finally started to crack some code on some digital marketing. So taking coaching from other folks and cracking some code of digital marketing was what kept me in this business. So I'm incredibly grateful for some of those folks that coached me along the way. So started off as a solo agent. I went to a couple big box brokerages. Always wanted to go learn and grow. And I went to one brokerage and then became the top producer in that one and wanted to really ran out of people to learn from. Went to another one to keep learning, and then at some point, I think it's probably 2014, 15. I realized. Well, I'll tell you the story. I was in my office one day. An agent walks down the hall. Asks a question. Hey, what would you do in this situation? I answer. We kind of game plan it, talk through it, answer that question. They come back the next day and say, hey, that worked. I'm so excited. We saved the deal. The deal's on, and the clients are happy. Everybody's happy in this whole situation. And that same day, I got a $300,000 listing appointment. Hey, back then the average price is $150, so that was a really good listing appointment. And I was really mad I had to go on a listing appointment and realized that my energy I was getting more energy from helping people, the other agents, than I wasn't talking to buyers and sellers. And I was like, okay, something's got to switch here. So that's what we did. So in December 27th of 2016, we launched Homestead Co. I had my wife's license, one other license when we started, and now we've grown over the years. We folded on some sister companies and things like that, and continue to evolve through our digital marketing and through our agent support. And really, our goal here is what I missed in those early years. Let me take a step back. What I missed in those early years was I felt like every time my career hit a new spot, I had to change my brokerage. I had to go somewhere else, right? Or when I went somewhere else, the person I needed to learn from, maybe that better producing agent, it wasn't in their best interest to help me, right? The person that could help me, I couldn't really learn from. They weren't it's going to sound horrible, maybe they weren't high enough quality in the area that I needed to learn from, right? The great people, maybe just weren't as skilled in the area that I needed to learn from next. And so it was kind of a broken system. So we wanted to go create a place in a system where no matter where somebody is in their career, we're truly invested in helping them grow their business. We view ourselves as true partners with our agents. We don't win unless our agents win, and the bigger they win, the more commitments they make, the more commitments we're going to make back to them and help them grow throughout their career. We've had agents that split off and started their own brokerages after us. We've had some we've partnered with on other companies. We've had some where we promoted to different roles. So there's a million different ways to go make money in this business and grow and advance beyond this regular agent, or even grow a team, right? Whatever it is. But there's a lot of different ways to grow, and that's what I was missing. And that's what we wanted to create here, was somebody that was vested in helping me grow, that could learn on the experience, was also a win for them. So we're not taking a bunch of their time without making it a win for them. So that's a little backstory of who we are and who I am, and love to meet you.